Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. On CentOS, the system time zone is set during installation, but can easily be changed afterward. Sometimes you forgot to set time zone properly for newly installed systems, or sometimes you need to change the time zone of systems for various testing, etc. This video describes how to set or change the time zone on a CentOS system. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. TimeDateCTL is a command line utility that allows you to view and change the system's time and date. It is available on all modern systemd-based Linux systems. The output shows the system's time zone. In this example, the time zone is set to America/New York. The system time zone is configured by some linking, /etc/local time to a binary time zone identifier in the /user/share/zone-info directory. Another option to check the time zone is to show the path the symlink points to using the ls command. You will see the following output. Before changing the time zone, you'll need to find out the long name for the time zone you want to use. The time zones are using the region/city format. To list all available time zones, invoke the TimeDateCTL command with the List Time Zones option. You will see the following output. Once you identify which time zone is accurate to your location, run the following command as root or user with sudo privileges. For example, to change the system's time zone to America/Phoenix. After running the TimeDateCTL command to verify the change. Now, your time zone has been changed successfully.